in the box!
Hi, and welcome to Poptography. My name's Patrick, and today we got a shipment from Funko. So very excited. This is probably the San Diego Comic-Con shared exclusives that I ordered. So without any further ado, let's get this bad boy open and see what's in the box. And yes, we did. We got none other than Grand Admiral Thrawn, number 697, which is the San Diego Comic-Con shared exclusive right here. Oh, love that. And we also got the one I'm more excited for is number 710, the Darth Vader San Diego Comic-Con shared exclusive, which is this bad boy right here. So we're going to get these bad boys open and take a better look at them. We're going to start with Thrawn. Now, this Thrawn looks very good. I love the fact that he's playing with his hands right in front of him. It's got a great sculpt all around. If you take a look at that, him, his fingers crossed and arms in front of him. Great looking Funko Pop. Let's take a look at this Thrawn compared to the other two. So comparing this Thrawn to the Grand Admiral Thrawn that we got from the Rebels exclusive, very different. You can really see how the animation guy is a little thinner, a lot more sculpted in the face itself. But we also have the other Thrawn that was released for the Ahsoka, and these look more alike in the likeness of the characters. You can see the body shape is a little more consistent. The head sculpts are very similar as well on these. Very cool. But I wanted to at least kind of show you this Thrawn versus the other two. I do not have the 2018 exclusive with his hands behind his back. That one I do not have. I'd love to get a hold of that one, but the price is still a little bit high. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this guy on the turntable, and then we'll put this guy alongside the others on the turntable, so you can get a better look at all three of them together. Now, let's take a look at the Darth Vader. All right, now let's take a better look at Vader here. Absolutely awesome. I just really love the treatment of this one. Even though it's not an official retro series, it kind of has that look to it. With the all red and kind of that kind of cartoonish kind of accents, but really cool looking. You can kind of see what a lot of people who've just received them talking about, kind of like that maroon chocolatey red kind of look to them overall. It's got this great kind of acrylic red smoke, basically being colored by the ignition of his red lightsaber. Very good looking Funko Pop. Really excited for this one. Has such a unique and different sculpt than any of the Vaders we've seen previously in the past. So very excited. Let's get him on the turntable so you can get a better look at him. All right, so you've seen the San Diego Comic-Con shared exclusives, both the Thrawn and the Vader. There is another one, if you were able to get to the San Diego Comic-Con and get it, it was the Diamond Collection version of this Thrawn, where it was all the glitter on that. Curious if you would pick that up. If you did, please leave that in the comments. But very curious, did you pick up either of these San Diego Comic-Cons for yourself? Please leave those in the comments. If you didn't, are you looking to try to capture these? I think you can still get them available in the Funko shop. Like to know. Again, leave those in the comments. But if you enjoyed today's content, please hit that like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Popphotography. Until then, may the force be with you.